Alright, and this next song will be mostly kick drums and bass with very little vocals, if any. So we're gonna start this music off at same thing at 50%.
From beneath the sand, dancing with me, crossing so far across the universe. She lives another day. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's so far away.
Alright, so that was a quick demo of the Bose Revolve 2 Plus. As you can hear, it is quite capable. It can play pretty loud. So you can definitely bring this guy outside and have enough volume that it's not shouting at everybody and it sounds pretty natural. And when you bring it back inside, you can still enjoy some of your nice beats at a lower volume. So I hope this test helps you. I added in some female vocals to see how it would sound like with music that people actually listen to instead of just pure EDM, and also some EDM. So you can listen to how the bass will react to some sort of music. And hopefully with that you can have a pretty rough idea on how this might sound like. um, Another thing I would like to mention is the build quality. I am beginning to like Bose more and more for their build quality. This entire exterior shell is, I assume, aluminum, and it is pretty tough, hard wearing. And up here on the top is a, I don't know if this is made of rubber or silicone, but if you were to drop this, it would most likely hit one of the corners. And since it is all surrounded by the rubber, it would not impact the speaker too much. So I like that part of it. The rope is also a very good rope instead of like a flappy thing that flies in the wind. It holds its shape pretty well. So I do like that build quality aspect from Bose. The battery life is really good, as I've mentioned earlier. Aside from that, I can't really speak too much. If you want a real life demo, maybe check these guys out at your local electronics store. But I can give this my recommendation for a small portable Bluetooth speaker that is pretty capable, in my opinion. Thanks for watching.